Creating and managing websites gets way easier when you know how to set up FTP accounts, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in Hostgator Cpanel. Whether you're running your own site or helping someone else, you'll be able to follow along step by step and get it done in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Hostgator website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button. It's usually in the top right corner. Enter your login details and you'll land on the main Hostgator dashboard where all your site tools live. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Website and click on it. After that, select Advanced. This area gives you access to more detailed website settings. Next, find and click the Manage button. This opens up the controls you need to work with FTP. On the next screen, look for FTP access and click it. You'll then see another Manage option. Go ahead and select that. Now you're in the right place to create your FTP account. Look for the button that says Create FTP Account and click it. A form will appear where you'll enter the account details. Type in a username and set a strong, secure password. If there's an option to assign a quota or limit storage, adjust it according to what you need or leave it unlimited if that works better for you. Once everything looks good, double check your details and click Create. That's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in Hostgator Cpanel. With this new account, you or anyone you authorize can upload, download, and manage files directly on your server, so make sure to keep your login details safe. If this walkthrough helped you out, stick around for more quick and practical hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!